Hi, hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel Spreading Positivity. This is Christabel here and I hope you all are staying safe and staying happy, positive, so on. So, without further ado, let's get to the video. Please do ignore the external sounds because I'm sitting in the at the balcony and noises are there around. So please do excuse me for it. Uh, okay, so without any furthermore explanation, let me come to the topic. Now, everyone has a cup of coffee or cup of tea, as I said. Now, I'm a person who love drinking coffee and tea. So I'm a mixture of both. There are a lot of people who prefer only tea, like even if it is being served at the middle of the night, they will be happy to drink. And I'm such a person. I love to drink tea, even if it is at the midnight. Even if it is at the midnight, I would also love to drink coffee. So, you know, both are of my choices, and I prefer both. So that's all fine. There are a lot of people who don't like coffee but prefer chai more. There are people who, within the wide range varieties of teas like the cardamom tea, ginger tea, lemon tea, iced tea, plain milk tea, or black tea. Then we have the tandoori chai, masala chai. Now, coming to me, masala chai is my favorite. I think like few of my friends know about it. I really love masala chai. And with coffees, anything hot and strong is my cup of coffee. For tea, also, I prefer it to be more strong with sugar, whereas there are a lot of people who don't drink it with sugar, and that is their choice. So, in life, also, this choice is required to figure out, to discover, to explore yourself and find out what is your cup of tea and what is your cup of coffee, what you like and what you don't like. You should also learn to say a no. Why? Because this channel is spreading positivity, and I sit here and say a no to what you don't like. Now that is a negative word, but at the same time, you are inviting positivities into your life. As long as you don't discover yourself, as long as you don't learn to say a no to things that you don't like, things you're not interested in, things you really don't prefer to be with you, just discard them, just keep them away or keep those things away. Probably I will not say like if you don't like your certain relatives, I'm not asking you to just delete all of them from your life. That's not the thing I'm trying to say, but anything which you really don't agree with, learn to say a no. So like that, like while saying no, a lot of people might not stay with you. That's fine. That shows whether they sincerely like you or sincerely stay with you. So that sincere love and affection and all comes only when you are honest with yourself as well as honest with you know with others too. uh, like if you don't like anything, you say a no. And in case you say a no and if that person don't want to stay with you, leave it. That shows how much they are actually honest, and how much they are uh, close to you, or they like you, or they value more. Like that allow you to discover how much each person like you or value you, etc. Now, when you say a yes to everything, what happens is throughout your life, even if you don't like certain things, you will keep on saying yes. And that will actually bring a lot of difficulties in your life you are inviting a lot of negativities with that positive word. Yes, because a lot you are not liking it, you're not doing it wholeheartedly, you're not doing it sincerely. So a lot of you're calling all these negative vibes into your life by saying something positive. So it's always better to use words negative, like be it a no, you're using it in a positive sense. Be it a yes, you're using it in a negative sense in certain situations. So what I want to say is that explore yourself, identify, know yourself, try to realize what is your cup of coffee and cup of tea, and that will bring a lot of changes in your life. So this video is very short. I'm not going to, it's already short and I don't want to edit and make it more short because nothing will be there then. So anyway, I hope that will allow you to search yourself, search your, go in depth into your soul and ask these questions, whether you like that or whether you like this. And if you don't like certain things, make sure you address it to yourself or to the concerned person to whom you should. So that will bring a lot of positive changes as well as a lot of good things to happen into your life. And I hope let the positivity just get spread across everyone's life. And with that note, I'm winding up for today's video. So bye bye, take care, stay home and stay positive. I know nowadays the cases are really high here, so please do keep yourself safe and stay positive. Please don't leave your let go your confidence and your positivity just like that for someone who don't value you. So that's it. Bye bye, take care.